Hey folks, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix search box missing from taskbar in Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's get started. In case you haven't seen your search box here in your taskbar, let's fix it. So at the keyboard, press Windows and I key together. Again, press Windows and I key together, and in that way, you'd be able to bring up your settings. Once you are here with the settings, please proceed at the left side of that and look for an option called personalization. So once you have opened the personalization tab, you need to scroll down and then look for taskbar. Click on it. The moment you've click on it, you need to proceed with taskbar items, which contain search, task, view, and widgets. So proceed with search, and under, aligning to it, you can see there a bar where you need to click this down arrow and proceed with search icon and label. Okay, you can also select search box, and in that way you would be able to bring it up here in your taskbar. So simply close this window, and then here you can now use your search box. By the way, you can also do a right click here at the taskbar, go with taskbar settings, and in that manner you would be redirected easily to the taskbar, where here you can easily navigate the search and select on search box. In this way, you would be able to bring up your search box, which is missing earlier in this Windows or computer. So that's it. If you think this video helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.